Anyways, can I say, man, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today is Sunday. Just washed the car. The Type R back here. Sorry, I got a little allergies from the plants over at the new house. But yeah. So we're just gonna do a little bit of a discussion video. What's coming up for the Type R? What's coming up for the 2019 Mini Cooper S Countryman, the daily driver I just got, which you guys saw in the previous video, which I might add didn't do so hot, didn't do very well. Yeah, but anyways, before we start, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good. Let's start this video and let's talk about what's going on. So why I haven't been uploading as much? Well, it all comes down and ties down to my current job, which I work for United Healthcare, a provider's advocate, a strategic account specialist. We are now in overtime because we have so many claims to take care of coming in from last year, right? So there's a huge load that is on my lap, that is on my desk, that I need to take care of. Overtime on the weekends, things like that. It takes up my time. Plus I have kids, plus I have a wife, things I gotta do for them, things I gotta do during the day, the night. It's just, I got a lot going on, y'all. But I do wanna let you know, I love you guys. I love your support. I appreciate each and every one of you for sticking around with me for this channel. With that all being said, let's get into some positive stuff. What's coming up for the Type R, right? 2021 Type R. Let's take the camera here. Freaking allergies, bro. And well, here's what we got going on for the Type R. Let me show you the engine bay real quick. Right, for those who don't know, Jay's racing valve cover is on. PRL charge pipe titanium, PRL HVI, 3.5 MAF by Rampage, Serimoto strut bar, Mishimoto coolant reservoir. Just catching you guys up for everybody who's new to the channel. This is the APR front splitter that was just recently installed. And let me get down here. Right there, Mishimoto intercooler, which I absolutely love. Just this real quick. Okay, so here's what's coming up now. Friday, this Friday, April 15th. Yeah, the hood's going bye-bye. New carbon fiber hood by CMST Tuning, which actually saves 18.5 pounds from the OEM stock hood. So therefore, coming back around here, the carbon fiber hood scoop right there. Zoom out, there we go. That is going to be for sale. I'm going to probably sell it for like 180, 210, 220, something like that. I don't know. If I know you, I'll give you. How about that? I'm just joking. Okay, so that's coming up for the Type R on Friday. Can't wait for that. What else? MHI turbo build is going to be coming here relatively, let's hope, soon. It has a little bit to do with the money because it does cost a lot to build that, around $6,000, $6,700 bucks, something like that, with the fuel and all that, and the turbo and the tuning, etc. So maybe a little bit more, honestly. But yeah, that'll be coming up. I just have to have time to actually drop the car off and get it done with Brandon or Dynocomp, wherever I go to, UMS, tuning, whatever. Okay. Probably gonna have UMS tune the car as well. I heard they're very good with this platform, especially with the Type Rs, so the FK8s at least. Alright, well, that will do it for the Type R for now. Not sure much else what I'm going to do. Maybe for the front lip, EBS tuning or something like that. I don't know. Make it carbon fiber. That would be cool to match everything with the hood. But yeah, that's what's going on. As you guys can see, the car has just been washed and detailed, ceramic detailed, I might add. And the car is ceramic coated as well. Alright, so that's about the Type R. I don't want to make this an extremely long video, but here's what's coming up for the Mini. We're going to get rid of these wheels, and we're going to put new, I believe they're called Anki TM7s on here, or TM10, something like that. I'll throw that picture up right here. Alright y'all, so those are the wheels. I want to de-chrome all this, to be honest with you, to match the new wheels that are going to be coming up. Like all this freaking chrome, bro. I mean, I got a killer deal on this Mini, and I love it. It's a great daily driver. I'm averaging about 26 to 29 miles per gallon, so that is amazing. So there's that. Yeah, that's what's going to be coming up. And honestly, what else can I say? You know, I appreciate you guys sticking around with me on this channel. I really do. It means a lot to me. And hopefully I can upload more here. But, you know, life gets busy, right? You got to take care of things, got to handle things. Love this car. Don't worry. It's not going anywhere. However, if an opportunity comes around for like a 2022 Audi RS3, people are talking about the new Corolla, GR, Corolla, whatever you call it. Not too sure about that. I don't like the way it sounds already, but it looks okay. It looks cool. Will it replace the Type R? No, bro. If I'm going to do that, I'm going to go big and go Audi RS3 all-wheel drive, you know, and then put 610 horsepower in that bitch. All right, that's a long shot. Right now, this car is paid off, so I don't want another car payment right now. I already have a car payment for this one with the wife. Super easy to afford, but yeah. This is Skylyfe Projects, y'all. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer your questions. Until next time, guys. Love y'all. See you later. Stay tuned Friday. CMS tuning carbon fiber hood coming up.
Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win. Posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounding. Fill my cup up for the